How to install insulation nail welding machine for HVAC system and shipbuilding. You will know after watching this video. This insulation nail welding machine can weld HVAC pipe insulation nails and ship insulation nails. The welding efficiency is high and the effect is good. After welding, the insulation nails will not fall off for life. The model of the heat-preserving nail welding machine currently in use is Tate S, which weighs only 8 kilograms and can be operated with one hand. The performance of the machine is very good. If you are also interested in this insulation nail welding machine, you can contact us after subscribing. Thank you.